Ducnanby Lodge at legendary Rivers Inlet.
Oh, that's a heavy fish. Whoa. Look at that for a lovely fish.
Yes!
Yeah!
Nice fish, bud. High five.
Nice fish!
Yeah! Sweet! Right on, man. We call this the Halley Hammer, boys. And I figure she's haunted by now because she's taken a lot of lives.
Nice size Halley for sure.
I'd like to thank Corey for a wonderful day of fishing and Ducnanby Lodge at Rivers Inlet.
There he's on the surface. See him on the surface there? Oh, nice fish.
Oh, just tail walking there.
Whoa. Got him?
Nice fish, Gary.
Hey. Keep him coming. We got him.
There's your tie on the fly rod,
buddy.
What a day up here at Ducnanby Lodge, up here in Rivers Inlet.
At Ducnanby Lodge, Rivers Inlet, another nice Rivers Inlet tie.
Oh, that is a tie, my friend.
Experience the Ducnanby difference.